Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And today, I am playing Mall Tycoon with my best friend Val.
Hey guys!
So, remember when I built my Mall Tycoon over here? I'm going to show you a little tour because we'll show you a tour after we show Val's Tycoon. I'm going to help him build up a little bit.
Yeah, my tycoon is not that good right now.
It used to be on his old account.
Yeah, I was like at the third level thing.
Unfortunately, Roblox keeps on logging him out of his house. Unfortunately, Roblox keeps on logging him out of his accounts.
Yeah, and I'm getting sick and tired of it. Yeah. I'm just gonna look out the window.
Your mall is closed down right now, Val.
The door just hit me.
Oops. Well, your mall is closed down right now.
I know.
I hope you guys can hear Val a little bit better than you can. I hope you guys can hear Val a little bit better than how you heard him before. Since my mic is on, I lowered my mic a little bit to the call, so we and Val are actually in separate houses. We're not in the same house.
Yeah.
Val's all the way in by Rockland Road, and I'm all the way in Cat Hollow.
Well, I think we're on the same road, Jack, Rockland Road.
Well, I live kind of far. I kind of live in Cat Hollow?
Yeah.
I live in Cat Hollow.
Ronnie, why do you keep leaving and joining the game? Because it's a private server. Well, and also my brother is joining, too. Ronnie.
Ronnie, do you want to say hi to my viewers?
He doesn't like to talk in front of cameras.
My camera's not even on.
Anyways, he still doesn't like talking in front of people.
Well, I'm guessing then he could just like type in chat. I'm guessing he could just like type in chat. If that's what he wants.
Probably gonna type in chat. Probably not.
Okay, right now I have my door.
Phone store right now.
Now, right now my door is blocked, so my door is blocked with lasers. I'm gonna get some pizza.
Oh, Ronnie left the game. He's not playing anymore.
Just gonna eat my delicious
Playing
pizza.
a different game.
Oh no, my mic!
Uh-oh, your mic.
Me and Val actually
Hey,
are.
Jack, do you want to buy a phone?
What?
Jack, do you want to buy a phone?
Val, your avatar's in here.
Here comes one of
My avatar's in. Your avatar's in here.
Yeah, obviously because we're best friends. All your friends that you know are going to be in your store buying your stuff. Because you're best friends.
I see Ronnie in here, even though he's no longer in the game.
Build more jewelry or clothing.
Marty, speak to. Okay, Val, I'm coming over. I'm coming over, Val.
You want to get a phone?
Yeah, but my doors are blocked, so you won't be able to come in my tycoon.
Okay. Mine are. Who are you and why are you outside of my store?
Overpriced phones. Let's get one.
You get a phone for free. Because you're my friend.
I got an iPhone.
Oh man. Cool.
Look, I got an iPhone.
Ooh. Just like the one that you have, right? Don't you have an iPhone?
Yeah, but the back isn't white, it's black.
There's the difference.
I'll just put my phone in my pocket.
And my next door is done. I got a capsule. Yeah, capsule.
Val, come over to My Tycoon. I'll open my doors for you.
Okay. Whoa. I can already see the inside of your tycoon. I already saw the inside, but not the stores or anything.
Well, you haven't seen that third floor fully yet. See, my doors are covered by lasers, so I have to like get rid of those first. Now they're back to being.
First floor. Already seen the first floor. Going up.
Val, you're here! Oh my God, Val, there's your Roblox avatar right here.
Where's my cologne?
Right here. Look at me. Val, come over to hear me. Your Roblox avatar just walked right by you.
Where did it go? It disappeared.
You saw it, right?
No, it disappeared. Disappeared on me before I could even see it.
Val, they're in the pizza place. Val, they're in the pizza place.
It's in the pizza place?
Yeah, right here. Oh no, they disappeared again. Oh wait, they're sitting at a table. Right there. The back table. The back table right here.
I don't see anyone.
I don't think you can see your avatar. But it's right here.
Oh. Anyways, let's go look at your third floor.
I finished the third floor, so now I can't wait to be like this.
Grocery store.
Oh yeah, then the bathroom. The bathrooms. We should probably use these.
Where is it? Oh, these.
I'm in the bathroom stall right now.
Which one?
The second one.
Okay. I'm in the bathroom now, too.
Okay.
I'm in the toilet, Jack. I'm in the toilet.
Oh, there's the boys' bathroom. We cannot go in there.
Well, in real life, we are boys anyway, so...
Yeah.
I'm gonna look at your fourth floor.
Hold on. There's the boys' bathroom over there. I'm coming.
Okay, I'm going up backwards. Backwards. Actually. Oh, wow. You're done with your fourth floor. Where's your fifth floor?
I haven't built it yet.
No, wait, you're not completely done yet.
Oh yeah, clean. Rubbish got all over the floor.
Get your shoes on and help me for 10 minutes. That was my nanny was talking to my brother.
Oh.
Here's your fifth floor.
Oh, 5 and 8. I'm going to 5 and 8.
I'm going back to my Tycoon.
Car parked unlocked.
Bye, Jack.
Okay.
I'm gonna reset.
My 5th floor is completely empty.
Jack, there's a dead body in your mall. Who are you? Who are you? You are one of my old friends. Jack, they even have my old friend from on my phone.
Maybe they know it's you.
Maybe.
There's like a lot of salons in here. Just telling you.
Done with my third store. Now let's
Phone store.
Yeah, I have a rare store. I have a rare store. Come here.
I'm
Come to my tycoon. I have a rare store.
I'm building stuff right now, but I'll come.
You don't have to if you're building.
Oh my God! Wait.
Wait until you're done building. But I have a rare store.
Wait a minute. When I go back downstairs, it turns light again.
Weird. I'm waiting for my money to build up.
Okay, I'm coming out. Customers are happy.
See your tycoon, sort of. I only can see one half. On my screen, at least. I see you, Jack. Hello.
Yeah, but why does it turn dark?
To my mom. Okay, come inside. I want to show you the rare store that I have. Okay, so look. It's an art store.
It hasn't opened up yet, right?
Rare.
It hasn't opened up yet,
It
right?
It showed rare on the store. Yeah. Voila, the art store.
My cat wants me to hold him, so he's sitting with me.
The art zone. See that? The art zone. The art zone.
New store.
I have a rare store. And everybody in my mall is happy.
Yeah, I can't see anybody in your mall. I can't see anyone.
Yeah, and I can't see anyone in your mall either, so I guess that's just a glitch.
Or it's meant to do, or it's supposed. That's what it's supposed to be. I'm hiding somewhere.
Yeah, probably.
I'm hiding
Either one of
somewhere.
those.
I'm hiding somewhere.
Where are you hiding? I'm going to find you. I found you.
Now it's your turn to hide.
I'm building a smoothie store now.
I'm gonna go hide again. Oops. Sorry about that. I accidentally ended our call.
It's okay. But I found your avatar with no face in my store.
I can't see it.
I know. It's so creepy though.
But look, at least you can see the real me in the store.
Yeah. Okay, got some money.
I'm gonna go pick up some money in My Tycoon, so I'll see you later.
Okay, see you later. First, purchase any store. Tool store, carpet store, or clothes store.
I think you should do a commode store or whatever it's called.
I'm gonna do a tool store. Buy us. What is it?
Whoa! I have a parking lot now.
Oh, cool. I'm gonna finish this downstairs with my piece.
Alright guys, that's all I have for today. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!